Previously on WellSpring Days of Our Technological Lives.
Hello? Yes. I'll be there as soon as I can.
And now the conclusion.
Alexander.
Carlos.
Come in.
I got here as quickly as I could.
I know. It's only been 5 minutes since I called.
Where is she? Harper. I wasn't sure I'd ever see her again.
None of us were.
Well, you got what you wanted. What's the problem? Why did you call me?
I had nowhere else to turn. You see, Harper wants to make a donation to WellSpring through the app, but she doesn't know how.
I see. Well, does Harper have a phone with the WellSpring app installed?
Of course, our dog has a phone. This is Williamson County. And yes, Harper visited wellspringchristian.org/app to download the WellSpring app earlier today, which is available for both Android and Apple devices.
Thanks for all that information. It's like you knew I was going to ask. The first step is for Harper to open the app and tap the Give icon. Now she'll need to key in the amount of her gift and the fund to which it should go. Harper can then choose to make her donation a recurring gift if she wants it to repeat. And after inheriting a diamond mine from Carlos's uncle, Harper is both very wealthy and very generous.
Wait, that diamond mine belonged to my twin sister, who's still in a coma.
Get over it, man! Think of what's best for Harper.
You're right.
Harper will then tap the Next button. On this screen, she'll use her furry paws to key in her contact information. When she's done, she'll tap Next at the bottom of the screen.
Wait, Harper never told me about that email address. What else could she be hiding from me?
On this screen, Harper will choose whether she wants to use a debit or credit card to make her gift, or if she's going to use a bank account. Harper knows that WellSpring's processing fees are a lot lower if she chooses to give from her checking account. That means more of her gift actually goes toward WellSpring's mission of helping people follow Jesus, and less goes to a big bank somewhere.
There's something else I've never told you. Harper actually owns all of the major banking conglomerates.
Harper can also choose whether she'd like to cover the processing fees associated with her gift. She's going to do that because she's fabulously wealthy and very generous. She can also add a prayer or an encouraging note with her donation. Once she's done, she taps the Process button and her gift is finalized. Since it's her first gift, she'll have the opportunity to create a numeric passcode, which is basically a PIN number. On future gifts, she'll simply be able to enter her phone number and her passcode, and she won't have to re-enter all of her contact information again. She just needs to make sure she creates a passcode that she'll remember. Maybe the last 4 digits of her social security number, or the PIN she uses at her bank.
It's almost too easy.
At any time, she can tap the Give icon and then tap Manage Your Gifts at the bottom of the screen. Once she enters her phone number and email address, she'll choose a preferred delivery method and tap the Manage button. She'll receive a secure link that will enable her to view her giving and make changes to her recurring gifts.
We haven't always seen eye to eye, but I'm glad I called you.
We've been enemies before, but I hope now that I can call you a friend.
There's something else I've been meaning to tell you. You're not just a friend. You're also my brother.